China. Today I will show you some beautiful exclusive Nakshi Katha hand stitch sarees. The first saree is a pure Bangalore silk. See the color combination. It's a very good and multicolored like Meenakari Katha. It's like a Meenakari Katha. See, this is the first fold of the saree. You can check the intricacy of the hand stitch. This saree took almost 8 months to complete this. Only one karigar has done this one saree. This is the first fold. See, very nice design. It's like an ornament. And this is the second fold. So, in the half of your pleats, you will get this design. And after the pleats, this design will start. So, and half of the pleats you will get, in the full pleats you will get this border. See the color, it's a very nice purple color. It's a cross color, double tone color. And I have also show you the blouse. This is the blouse, very nice color combination. So it's a Meenakari Katha. All over the saree you will get this design. And the price is 7800. Material is pure Bangalore silk. 7800 and material is pure Bangalore silk. Now comes one Nakshi Katha's signature designer piece. Yes, it's a designer piece. The material is pure Gachi Tasar and we have dyed it very interesting way. See the pallu or the aanchal. The material is pure Gachi Tasar with silk mark. Price is 9800. I have to show the saree to show you the designing part. In all over the saree you will get this design. All over the saree. The upper border you will get this paisley. Very nice small paisleys. And all over saree you will get this peacock in your lower portion. So, see. So this is the first fold. This is the second fold. And now comes the third fold. So all over the saree you will get this dancing peacock with the flower. And now comes this blouse. It has a very interesting dyed blouse. See, this is the blouse. The price is 9800. These all are exclusive pieces. We don't make any repetition until we get any reorder or pre-order. Okay, now one's pure Gachi Tasar. It's a very traditional design and very popular design. In the pallu we have done, see, it's a pure Gachi Tasar material and the price is 8000. So this is the first fold and this is the second fold. All over the saree you will get this design in your skirt border. Yes, it's a very nice combination. It's a multicolor and this is the blouse. See the blouse. Yes, you have to see the close-up also. Please show the close-up. See the work quality. All over multicolor stitch we have done. Price is 8000. Now another pure Gachi Tasar material with silk mark. And this saree is a masterpiece. It's a very nice color combination. Wow. It's a red, black and the color is very nice because it's Tasar. The color is not too bright. It's a sober Tasar. See. I am showing you. This is the first fold of the saree. And this is the second fold of the saree. The interesting part of this saree is the blouse one. See the blouse. It's a all over blouse. I mean you will get all over in your blouse also. And also in the sleeve. See the contrast of the saree. This is all over the body and you will get black with the blouse. I'm showing you the pallu design again. See, this is the saree. And the price is 8,000 pure Gachi Tasar. Now another very nice color combination. Very nice color combination with a midnight blue. Very nice color. Wow, the color itself is very gorgeous. And please check the design also. Very nice and very small design. It has a chatai weaving, or you can say it's a chessboard border. This is the first fold and this is the second fold. So all over the saree you will get this design. And now I am showing you the border. Sorry, the blouse. In the blouse you will get this design. And the price is 7500. The price is 7500. Now another exclusive from Nakshikantha. Yes, it's an exclusive pieces. It's very difficult to remake this piece because the work quality. See the work quality. These kantha stitches are very uncommon and very traditional. See the pallu design. It is a beautiful pallu. You will hardly, see the work quality. Very intricate, very minute work. Wow, very nice. And the color is a deep purple. And now comes the USP of the saree. Yes, this is the USP. All over the pleats, you will get this design. See the intricacy. In the pleats, you will get this design. Wow, Vajan saree. See, very nice color combination. See, wow, very nice color. And you will look damn gorgeous on wearing this saree. And this is the pallu. And the price is 8500. And I'm showing you the blouse. See, this is the blouse. Wow. The blouse is also exclusive. I'm showing you the pallu design again. Sorry, pleats design again. You will get 2 meter pleats all over like this design. Don't miss this saree. It's an exclusive pieces. Now comes another 3-ply Vishnupuri Katan silk. Very demanding piece and very smart. And check the color combination. Wow, it's an aqua color combination. Very pretty. This is the blouse and the pallu. Both are same. I'm showing you the pallu now and this is the blouse. So you will get same blouse and the pallu same design. And all over the saree is like this. It's a chota leaves. Very nice color combination. All are aquatic color. Like lots of shades of green and blue. 3-4 shades of green and blue. And see the work quality, how minute the work is. And also check the border. The border has all over katha work. So all over the saree you will get this design. Very nice color combination. And the price is 7500. The price is 7500. Now another beautiful golden yellow. Not mustard yellow, it's a golden yellow. In our last video, we have uploaded one yellow saree and it was a big hit. So this is another one for those who didn't get any. So all over, half of your saree you will get this design, and in the pleats you will get this skirt border. Wow, see the saree. What a nice one and very gorgeous. It's perfect for any party or any occasion. It will look even gorgeous. You can wear in any golden jewelry or any golden temple jewelry. Very gorgeous it will look. The material is pure Bangalore silk and the price is 7800. The price is 7800 and this is the blouse piece. See, this is the blouse piece. famous. So it's incomplete if I don't show you any bird or rose design. So here it is. The material is pure Gachi Tasar, and all over the sari. It's not corner to corner design or even half. It's an all over bird design. It's a Chiriya motif sari. Pure Gachi Tasar, and the price is 8,000. It's an all over sari. Very pretty sari. See, very pretty sari. Now moving on to another popular design. It's a lotus design, and see the color combination. Wow, it's a beautiful one. It's an ivory color, or you can say it's an off-white color with the multicolor lotus. This is the first fold and this is the second fold. So all over the sari you will get this design. And I am showing you the blouse also. This is the blouse. See, very pretty sari, and the color combination is very nice. The price is, one second, let me check the price. Geez, the price is 7,000. The price is 7,000. Now another signature piece from Nakshikantha. See, the beautiful color magenta. It's a magenta Rani sari. Very popular one. Price is 7,000. Material is pure Bangalore silk. We have already shown you more different colors. Now comes magenta. Very popular color and very gorgeous too. Price is 7,000. And see the blouse. It has an interesting blouse. It's a standing paisley in your both the sleeve, and it's a slanting border in your back. Price is 7,000. Now comes one beautiful color combination. It's a strawberry pink, and I'm showing you the design. Even the design is very all over gorgeous. Wow, am I looking pretty with this color? Very nice color. No need to wear any jewelry, I think. The color even very pretty. It's a strawberry pink. It's a double tone pink. I mean with the orange. With orange and Rani, this color comes. This is the weaving of two color, orange and Rani. Okay, this is the first fold. Very pretty sari. This is the first fold and this is the second fold. So half of your sari will get this design, and in the pleats you will get this border. And now comes the blouse. See, this is the blouse. And the price is 8200. Price is 8200. Now another pure Gachi Tasar on lotus design, and it's a corner to corner design. The thread color is white, red and black. Material is pure Gachi Tasar. See the work quality. The pattern is corner to corner. This is the first fold, second fold. Wow. And this is the blouse. I'm showing you the full look of the sari. See, this is the work portion. Very nice. Even Tasar is the best one, I think, in Kantha, because the thread color looks very bright on Tasar. Very soft, very nice color of the Tasar. It's a natural color. Wow. See the color of the blue. Very nice color. It's a double tone color. This is a masterpiece, I think. Very nice color. See. It's a double tone color. Those who have missed our last sari of the same color, our last video, we have showed another design with the same color combination. Wow, see the design, how pretty it is. Very nice. Let me drape it for you so that you can understand the overall look of the saree. See, don't miss this one, this pretty one. Wow. And I'm showing you the blouse. The material is Vishnupuri Katan silk. This is the blouse. See the blouse. It has a designer blouse. And the price is 8,000. The price is 8,000. So my beautiful divas, don't forget to subscribe our channel Nakshi Katha by Tanya. We'll be keep uploading new videos for you with lots of collection of Katha embroidery only. And if you want to book any product from today's video, please do WhatsApp on the given number below on the screen. Thank you, divas.